I'm doing all right. I hope you're not trying to get a good spit on. Look at you.
Is.
And what's her name?
Everybody know her presence because she's not afraid to send her opinion. Chloe.
Well, Chloe's a pretty girl.
Yeah, her name's Chloe.
Oh,
Have a great rest of your day.
thank you, you too. Well, hey, Chloe. Oh, she's a pretty girl. Oh, she is. She's a little chatterbox. She makes her presence known. She's about 1.5 years old, they said. Maybe like 1 year and 3 months or 1 year and 5 months, something like that. But Chloe's a pretty girl. She's a dromedary camel. Oh, she is. She got 1 hump. Uh-huh. Okay, girl. I'm gonna come back and say hello, girl. The guys, look at these guys. Oh my goodness gracious. Did they get it? Look at this thing. Oh my God, they're so cute. And I think they all went into his, down the hatchet. He just went, he just got one right out of there. Uh-huh, yeah. Hold on a second, guys. Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna have to just dump it and let these guys go on. Oh my gosh, look at them all. Look at you. Oh, they're just adorable. Look at these, aren't they darling? Oops. Boy, these guys are getting their eatings on. Getting your eatings on, pretty thing. Oh yeah. How you doing on this Black Friday? November 24th, 2023. And I'm here at the Plumpton Park Zoo in Rising Sun, Maryland. I got something for himsies. Oh, I do. Yummy for the tummy. He's the alpha male. Yummy for the tummy. Ooh, the alpha male got in there. There they go. He's getting the most of it. Okay, here you are over here. Let me get you. You've been so patient. There you go. The mouth. Okay, there. Okay, there it is. This is the alpha male. Mouth. Oops, there's the mouth. Right there. Hold on. Alpha male. Mouth. Two mouths. See, I'm dropping a lot and the chickens are getting them. See this? Cupboard's bare. I'm gonna go get more foodsies for himsies. Okay? Yeah. So, look at all the mouths. Boy, these sheep were something. They are something. Look at that, 3 mouths. He thinks I might have some food and I ran out. I need to go get more. That's what I'm going to do, okay? They've got hay, but I would imagine they get tired of that. See how they're walking away? They're like, this lady has nada. She has nothing. Uh-huh. Okay. So much cute. So much cute. Yummy for the tummy. Yummy for the tummy. Yummy for the tummy. Well, look at these guys. Well, look at you. Uh-huh. Oops, 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 oops. He got it. That's right. You got to be quick about it. You got to get on in there. You get on in there. That's right. Uh-huh. It's every goat for himself. That's what it is. It's every goat for himself. Okay. I've been using an awful lot of hand sanitizer. Oh my goodness. And it's like, don't touch your face, Terry. Don't touch your face. And the birdie birds. And the pretty birdie birds. He had to go high, but he got it. You stayed behind, so you're the smart one. You stayed behind, you're the smart one. What you doing, guys? The mouth. Oh my goodness gracious. There's the mouth. There you go. There you go. Uh-huh. That's right, guy. Get your eatings on. You just go on and you get your eatings on. That's what you do. You get your eatings on. Mouth. Okay, mouth. Now, while he's eating there, you go on. See, I give these guys so many. It's no wonder why I run out so quickly. This poor guy down here hasn't had anything yet. At least not from my thingamajiggamajig. Hold on. There you go. He got some. Hey, guy. There you go. You got some. Oh, you did. There you go. Look, he's so patient. Hold on. Okay, here's the bit. Oh God, he's huge. He's just huge. And he eats them up like nobody's business. Look at this now. This is what I got left. Okay. Mouth. Let's look at this little guy over here. There you go. Oh, he was quick. Okay. Oh my God, I didn't mean to.
Oh no.
He took the cup right out my hand. There's the cup right there. Okay. Now, I'm not going to put myself at risk by trying to get it, I can assure you. Hello, Mr. Donkey. And they keep the coats on because it gets chilly at night. So I'm glad to see that. She's a pretty girl. Oh, she is. She's a pretty girl. Oh, she is. Hello, Chloe.